guys, the reason I'm making this video, I got a lot of guys asking me how do I like the new transmission. So it's a Grannas Racing T56 with a Tilton ST246-HD rated at 1250 foot-pound of torque. So guys asking me, does it shatter, does it make any noise? So I drove the car to work today. So I've been driving about half an hour right now. Hey Gino. And as you can hear, no clanking, no noise. I'll even show you inside the car. Like, I don't have any insulation or sound deadening on my tunnel or anything. I'll come as close as possible to the shifter. I'll turn the music off. I mean, I love it. It's been great. The car shifts so smooth, and the clutch pedal feels exactly like stock. It's so smooth. You know, it doesn't shatter. It doesn't make any noise. I'll make another video while driving and see if there's any noise under lugging. Like, we'll put it in 4th gear, low RPM, and then go wide open throttle, see if it makes any noise. Okay, so we are in 3rd gear, 1200 RPM, 30 kilometers per hour, wide open throttle, no noise. 4th gear, 1500 RPM, next to no noise. So yeah, it's been a great transmission setup and clutch. The clutch pedal feels great. It's almost like stock. So we're gonna end up this video for you guys with a 2nd to 3rd gear pull. Clutch, foot on the clutch, same thing, no noise whatsoever. So again, back to the clutch, and when I was talking to Joel Grannas back when I bought my setup, the most important thing was to me is I wanted a clutch that was easy to drive. You know, clutch pedal has to feel like somewhat kind of, you know, okay driving in traffic and whatnot. I work downtown, so this stuff is like very important to me. I don't want a loud clutch. Most multi-disc clutches are loud and, you know, difficult to drive in traffic and bullshit. So that was the biggest thing, and he promised me that I will not regret buying this Tilton ST246-HD. So it really exceeded my expectation in every way possible. And this is how easy actually to drive this clutch. So my left foot is on the seat and my right foot on the clutch. Look how easy to drive this thing. Not even a little noise. Nothing.